Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to apply alignment formatting in Excel 2010. Just open Excel worksheet. Now you can see a weekly attendance sheet, and I want to teach you alignment portion of this ribbon. What alignment portion do and how can I use this portion, and you can see a total present. I want to display total present in two lines. How can I display total present in two lines? Just shrink it in some extent and click wrap text. Now you can see it will display in two lines. Just do same shrink it in some portion and click wrap text. Now you can use same thing here. What wrap text do? You can wrap text is very useful technique to display your text in multiple lines of the cells, and now I want to display this portion middle. I want to make it center middle of the cell, and I can use this middle align, and I can use here middle and center. You can use left, right and center here. Top, it will display top of the cell, bottom of the cell and middle of the cell. You can use these alignment what you want. Now I want to at Saturday I want to display it's a holiday, and you can make these multiple cell in one cell. How can I make this one cell? Just click merge and center. Now cell here it is a one cell, and you can merge any cell. Just type here, I want to type I want to just select vertical text and type holiday. Just press enter. I want to type holiday in capital, and just decrease the font size in some extent. It will display in all cell, and it is a very good. And now you can just select multiple cell and merge it, and you can use these option rotate text up as well. Just type Sunday. It will display rotate text up position, and now you can align middle. It is a very good technique to display text in different position. Now weekly attendance sheet, and I want to type March first week in second line. How can I type? Just double click here and press alt enter. It will goes to the second line. If you press alt enter and type March first week, now if I press enter, then it is not displaying here. Just drag to the bottom. Now you can see all the text. It is a very good technique to display text in multiple lines and in different alignments, and you can also select all the text and you can increase the indent. Just click here and you can increase the indent and decrease the indent. This is alignment tag is very important in Excel if you use in a good way. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.